Okay, so we're changing this OEM skid plate to this one here, Rci Kdss aluminum skid plate. The packaging when it came in was kind of messed up. I scraped it. Didn't really put any protection. It's like scraped on the edge, whatever. I'll put a picture up actually. So yeah, let me take off the old one. So let me take out this first one where I took off before for the Kdss spacers. And then there's one more in the back to take out. I haven't taken them out yet on this car, but we'll do it. So there's like 13 here. Where is it? Okay, let me just record this when it's out. Okay, so the front one's out. I didn't have the one in the front because the bolts were messed up when I took it out one time, so I just left it. So I gotta take out this one. I think it's the same. This one here, one here. There should be more in the back, or maybe I figured it out. So let me take it out now. So I took this one out. There's 4, all size 13. It all came out easy. So here's, you can see this is like much thicker compared to the old one. It's like paper. See, it's pretty thin. And then this is thick. Aluminum. I didn't get the powder coat because it won't rust. So it comes with these bolts and spacers. Oh man, this camera's gonna focus not on it. And then it says there should be, it comes with these instructions too. It's 2013 4Runner or whatever, same thing. But it says install 4 bolts front and center. I see the front, but I don't know about center. Maybe because I have the KDSS version. Whatever. I'm gonna try the 2 front and then do the 2 back. That's it. So I'm just gonna do this instead of using a 4 jack.
Oh. Ow.
Oh, watch out! Be careful. Go there. Okay. Can you hand me those 2?
These ones?
Yeah. No, those 2 bolts are there.
Oh.
So one should go here somewhere. It's here, right? Yeah. Is it long enough?
It doesn't give you screws?
It does. It should be in that bag. I might have to put a spacer or something because it has to go over here, but this thing covering it.
What is that? Oh, your...
For this. How to do this. What was that? Was that a ghost?
What?
Stop recording now. Just trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I have to take this out for now at least, because let's go over around here. Yeah. So let's put this first. It's more important. Because give me the light. So loosely tighten it. Okay. So yeah, it fits without this thing here. I don't know if I'll somehow make it. So loosely put these two on, and then you put the back. I don't have the center ones. So, okay, let me put the back, and then we'll tighten. Do the back. What's that? So, oh, you got it on. Can't see it, get a good angle. We get a transmission one since it's like empty back there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try putting this over this. But I have to take this out first. Okay, you can stop putting.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so I put this back on. It fit. So I had to put this over. Can you see it? Can I see it?
Sort of. Yeah.
So I put over this thing, and it took a while. I had to jack it up, push it up. Hopefully it doesn't break the aluminum because it's fragile, but whatever. So I'm just gonna bolt it now. And done. After this. You change your oil. There's a little hole there. You can access the filter here. Nice. That's.
Bye.
Bye.